As a veteran, you know how to calculate probabilities and draw up battle plans for success. Using the Careerchoice GPS assessment, you'll be able to use statistical models to identify your high-definition destination that promises your highest value career opportunities. But first, a short explanation of the statistics in the profile. In statistics, you're looking at frequencies and patterns that can be used to solve problems and potentially make predictions. To do that, you need data. To get reliable results, you either need to be more specific or have more available data. A population is all of the potential variations of your subject. So for example, if you were studying current car consumption patterns among high school students in the US, then your population would be all the cars bought by all the high school students in the US. But because you can't interview every high school student in the US, you need a sample. A sample is a smaller set of data that's representative of the population. So in this case, your sample may be some of the cars bought by some of the high school students in the US. The bigger your sample size, the better your generalizations will be because it's more representative of the overall population. Once you analyze the data and measure certain variables, you'll begin to notice trends. Going back to the car example, you'll maybe find that there are more high school students that buy sedans than SUVs. When you look at the frequencies of car sizes then, you'll see that it looks like this kind of curve, called the bell curve. Few people buy small cars, few people buy big cars, and a lot of people buy medium-sized cars. The number in the middle, the most frequent, is called the norm. So how does this relate to your profile? You'll see on your profile that different traits, behaviors, and attitudes are measured, like your independence potential and comfort with conflict, among others. The information is displayed on a scale by where your traits are marked between two extremes with a certain number. Over the last 30 years, the Self-Management Group has measured these traits and behaviors among people who have been successful in their careers. And by successful, I mean that they're happy with what they do. From that, they developed a sample size of over 15 million people. Like I said before, the bigger the sample size, the more reliable the prediction. From this, they've gotten the profile norms for all these different careers. Once you take the assessment, your results are measured against these different career norms to see which one you are closest matched to. There is no pass-fail, right or wrong with the assessment. It's just a matter of where you fit on the scale. The numbers you see on the report are where roughly 80% of the population falls on that construct or scale. That's why there will be different numbers for each trait, and why the 0 is not always the midpoint. How do these statistics help you find your best career? Your profile gives you information that can be matched to different career requirements and statistically predict which career you're best fit for. If you connect to the numbers on your profile with a blue line, you'll see a literal profile. The Careerchoice GPS, through decades of research and a sample size of over 15 million, has developed the same kind of profile norms for dozens of jobs and job families. Those profile norms that best match yours are those that are the best fit. As cliche as it sounds, it's like a puzzle piece finding the right spot. But you might say, will my profile only fit one career? No, many careers have very similar performance profiles. Like careers in customer service, software development, or auto repair, they all require strong analytical orientation. They're team-oriented, and they emphasize helping people more than making money. Remember also that in your life, you'll most likely pursue more than one career, and you'll definitely have more than one job. Some companies may have limited promotion opportunities. Some may be acquired by another company. Technology will also create new types of jobs that don't even exist now. Just look at the creation of the social media industry. What if your profile says you're a good fit for something you're not interested in? It doesn't really make sense to perform well at something you don't like doing, or striving to do something you like but will never master. You do need to find joy in work, and employers like high performers, but it's hard to do in the long run if the job isn't meaningful to you. Your profile can answer the big questions, but a lot of the smaller details are up to you, because obviously you as an individual can't be normed. What the profile can do is show you that there are a lot of career opportunities that you can be creative with. So, unlike other career assessments that tend to pigeonhole you, the Careerchoice GPS gives you powerful statistical data to help you determine your high-definition destination. Here's to your civilian career success.